that is near. The prize awaits the two players on the shore. Two players begin their race at the starting marker, far from the shore. The racers are guided by arrows. The racers crossing between islands. With more time, I could have made multiple maps for the racers to race on. I would have made more opponents with more time, and making my current map larger would have been a choice with more time. I learned numerous things here at Tech Camp, but the one thing I enjoyed most was learning how to make games and stories. Learning how to control and move things was needed to create everything I did.
Where's that book?
Where are you, Island?
Probably here, blind book. So,
And I was lost at sea.
yeah.